Next comes personal transport, or we can say private transport or the public transport, which means private or personal means like we are having our own bike, own scooty, own car. Yes, this is what, this is the personal transport. Public transport like the bus, auto rickshaw, trains, these are all public transport. So tell me whether most of the time we should use our personal transport or public transport. Raise your hand.
Personal transport.
Sneha, raise your hand. Yes, Anam.
My personal transport.
Personal transport. We should
Transport.
we should mostly use our personal transport or public transport. Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, we should use personal transport.
Yes, Navneet.
Ma'am, we should use personal transport.
Sneha.
Ma'am, we should use our personal transport.
All the answers are wrong. We should more focus on public transport. If we are going or moving from one place to another, every time if you are using the personal transport, you are using more and more of fuel then. You are contributing to the air pollution. More and more using of the personal transport, you are contributing to the air pollution. If you can go somewhere near distance, you should go by walking. Or if you are going, suppose 2-3 people are going to the same office, they can go for carpool. Means in the same car they can go, which can avoid the fuel consumption. Understood the thing? So we should more focus on public transport, not the private transport. Is that clear? In private transport, what happens? A single person is moving from so far, one place to another. Go by bus, go by metro. Clear? So we should focus on more public transport. This is the reason why we should focus on more of public transport. That is, it will avoid or less of the air pollution will be there then. Clear? Coming to the fuel used for the vehicles. So fuel, we use petrol, we use diesel, CNG. Yes. So these are the fuels which we are using in our cars or trucks or airplanes. So diesel fuel is widely used in the transport vehicles such as tractor, trailer trucks, buses, boats, and trains. These all use diesel. This fossil fuel is also non-renewable like gasoline. Gasoline means petrol. Non-renewable means which will one day be finished. If we are using it so much, it will one day be finished. That is known as non-renewable resource. Although it contributes less carbon dioxide to the environment, diesel creates more organic compounds and nitrous oxide that cause smog. Smog is a type of an air pollution. So what they are saying, though diesel causes less pollution, but still it is contributing to the smog or the air pollution. So you understood why I was saying or focus more on public transport? Because in public transport, what happens? More people, like in a bus, more people are sitting and moving to the place, isn't it? Yes. So only one bus fuel is being burned. Whereas if 20 people are taking their own cars and scooters, so what will happen? They will burning their own fuels, isn't it? So more air pollution has been caused. So that is why. So they are saying that diesel is a fuel which is used in these things and it contributes to less pollution, but still it is causing air pollution. Yes, Pratyush?
What is nitrous?
What is?
Ni.
Nitrous oxide. This is a compound of nitrogen, which is a type of an air pollutant.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anam?
Ma'am, which fuel is used for air transport?
Diesel. Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, in case of a virus, we are using a personal transport, not
Yes. In case of virus, you are using your personal transport, but when it is not there, you will use more of focus on public transport.
Ma'am, that's why I have same personal.
Okay. Liquefied petroleum or petrol, better known as propane, is a clean fuel alternative to gasoline that is used in common vehicles on a limited basis. They say that gasoline is also petroleum or petrol. So rather than using that normal petrol, we are using liquefied petroleum because it causes a less pollution. Compressed natural gas, that is CNG. We know that some cars, they have a CNG cylinder. I think you all know that cars which move to long distances or cover long distances, they have the gas cylinders in that is having compressed natural gas. Gas and diesel engines can be converted to run on compressed natural gas, CNG. CNG is a clear odorless. Odorless means no smell. Non-corrosive gas means it is not harmful also. That can be used in liquid or gas form to run the engines of the vehicles. Vehicles fitted with CNG fuel system can be expected to produce 80% less ozone forming emissions than gasoline burning cars. What they are saying, if your cars are fitted with CNG cylinders, it will produce very, very less air pollution as compared to the cars which run on diesel or petrol. Understood the thing? Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, what is the full form of CNG?
Compressed natural gas.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear everyone, this thing? So we should have CNG fitted cars rather than the cars running on petrol or diesel, because it will cause less air pollution. Example can be your own car, bike, scooter. Example, this is example can be your bus, metro, trains. We should go by walking for shorter distances. And for long distances, use public transports. As it will contribute less to pollution. Good, Navneet. Okay. So coming to the okay, now moving on to the fuels. So which type of fuels are there? Like your petrol, diesel, CNG. CNG is compressed natural gas. So diesel, it is a better fuel. Compressed natural gas is the best as it is non-corrosive and contribute very, very little to the air pollution. Done? Okay, be fast, maybe. Yes, Anna?
Ma'am, how is petrol?
Petrol means? Well,
Ma'am, diesels
actually, petrol causes more pollution as compared to diesel and your CNG.
Okay, ma'am.